Hey there everyone, welcome back. In this quick video, I will show you how to use motion tracking on Capcut PC. So let's get started. First of all, let me just share you one thing that you cannot actually motion track the video in just one click. You need to use the keyframes in the video. Okay, so in this video, I will show you exactly that. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go to the text option. Then you need to drag and drop the text into your timeline. All right, then adjust this like this. In the text, you need to select the bigger O. Okay, like that. All right, after that you need to place the O into your timeline like the football size. Okay, so I will just round up here. Okay, like that. And now we need to track the football. Okay, so first of all, let me just show you real quick how you can track the football. First of all, here is the football. So the football will not move. Okay, so first of all, just select the clip, then select the scale, position and rotation option as well. So select all of this keyframe icon. Then you need to hold like this, move your video, and then again select this option and move your video to like that. Okay, then again just do the same thing as well. Like this ball is moving to the right, so I will move the video to the left. Then again just skip some frames like that. The ball is now moving to the left again, so I will need to adjust it like this. Then as you can see, the ball moved, so I will move the video as well like this, and then like that. Just you need to manually do that thing. Okay, so it will take some time. Let's fast forward the video and see the result. Alright guys, as you can see, we have successfully done with the keyframes. So now we will select this text and delete it. Okay, after that you will see some of the black bars. If we just play the video, if you want to remove the black bars from the video, so what you need to do, you need to right click on the video. First of all, create a compound clip. Okay, after that you need to scale up the whole video like this, and let's play it again. We also getting some of the black bars, so we need to scale it more. Okay, again we are seeing some black bars, so we need to scale some more. Okay, so as you can see guys, we are done with the motion tracking. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Have a great day.